Today in crypto. CEO Ashish Singhal says that their target is to get 50 million users in India, especially in the next 2 years. They aim to do this to educate users about crypto investment management and wealth creation in India. Amid coinswitch kuber exchange's tremendous growth in just a few months, CEO Ashish Singhal has expressed that they are working harder to get not less than 50 million Indian crypto users, perhaps in the next 2 years. One thing is for certain: when the time does come, the company plans to educate the users seamlessly about crypto investment management. Also, as per Singhal, they aim to train everyone about all the means and proper ways to create wealth when it comes to cryptocurrency. He said, "The past 18 to 20 months in the COVID pandemic has taught most of us the value of money. We are here not only to solve the crypto problems for the Indian investors but also solve the wealth management issue, with crypto being a key financial asset in their portfolio." Adding more to what Singhal said, he further mentioned that one of their goals is to remove all the existing difficulties in crypto trading. In doing this, digital asset users will get access to a simplified experience to easily buy and sell crypto with just a single click. Moreover, he even stressed that they are prepared to work hand in hand with the government to achieve its vision and create crypto-friendly regulations in the country. With much enthusiasm, Singhal went further by saying that the next big tech firm is going to come from India, based on Web 3.0 and blockchain. Continue reading on CoinQuara. El Salvador's mainstream Bitcoin, BTC, adoption is gaining momentum during the ongoing bull run as citizens are increasingly exchanging their US dollar savings for BTC. President Nayib Bukele shared this new development on Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, based on data acquired from El Salvador's in-house wallet service, Chivo. Bukele said, continue reading on Cointelegraph. One of the latest new NFT projects, Tile offering. Further, it's redefining the idea of a metaverse, as it recognizes that the physical world is inextricably intertwined with the digital, and we need to be stewards of the planet. The use of DAOs to determine how to allocate funds is not just some academic exercise. It's a practical application that has real-world consequences, affecting the health of our planet through charitable donations. As blockchain grows in prominence and utility, it becomes increasingly clear that blockchains are not just about cryptocurrency. They can be used for much more than that. They are platforms designed for collaboration, development, governance, and transparency. By using DAOs to determine how their virtual real estate funds should be managed, Next Earth is creating a model for other blockchain projects to follow when they launch their own token sales or fundraisings later this year and beyond. The future of charitable giving is decentralized. For decades the US dollar has been the undisputed global reserve currency, but that could soon change. Since 2014, China has been quietly working on its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, which is a souped-up, version of its homegrown yuan. And this year, the People's Bank of China launched a real-world beta test of its CBDC in more than 30 major cities to iron out any bugs. In June, it even held a lottery to give out digital wallets with 200 yuan, about $31, to 200,000 citizens to jumpstart adoption. Over the past few years, several other countries have run small test launches of CBDCs too, including the e-krona in Sweden and the e-peso in Uruguay. Other countries currently exploring their own CBDC projects include France, Korea, Russia, Canada, Brazil, and South Africa. However, nothing has reached the scale of China's CBDC rollout. A source connected to the U.S. Treasury Department, who spoke exclusively to me on condition of anonymity, says China's CBDC aspirations are an attempt to become the world's future digital currency. We now know China's CBDC is far less progressive than initially anticipated, the source explains. Instead of a new CBDC, it's more of a digitized yuan. We're pretty sure China's aim with the EGNI, digital yuan, is to attack the dollar's status as a global reserve currency but don't know how effective a job it'll do in its present state. What China's launch means for a U.S. digital dollar. U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell was not worried either during a September 22 press conference when he was asked if he had any concerns about China's head start in this global digital currency race. "I think it's important that we get to a place where we can make an informed decision about this and do so expeditiously," Powell said. "I don't think we're behind. It's more important to do this right than to do it fast. We are the world's reserve currency. And I think we're in a good place to make that analysis and make that decision," he said. Powell went on to say that the Fed is working on a paper that will inform the decision on launching a U.S. CBDC, which could be ready in the next few weeks. "We do intend to publish a discussion paper soon that will be the basis for a period of public engagement," Powell said. He added that the ultimate test, that, will apply when assessing a central bank digital currency and other digital innovations is, are there clear and tangible benefits that outweigh any costs and risks? Supporters of a Fed-backed digital dollar say those benefits include cheaper and faster financial transactions and speedier distribution of federal funds such as Social Security benefits or aid such as stimulus checks. According to the FDIC's 2019 How America Banks survey, there are about 7.1 million unbanked households in America. So the digital dollar could also be a way to boost economic equality for these folks, too, most of whom have mobile devices, which would be a primary CBDC access tool. However, critics note that some of the so-called strengths of CBDCs are also primary weaknesses. CBDCs are not crypto-coded, so they're not anonymous, and they will likely originate on a government-run blockchain. The movement of digital dollars would be trackable, so while it would help curb funding of terrorists and eliminate money laundering, government workers would have explicit details on every transaction you make. Potentially, U.S. state and federal tax agencies could track taxable transactions and secure automatic payments at their discretion without advance notice. Also, depending on which political party is in power, the government could conceivably politicize CBDC payments such as by blocking payments to charities or religious organizations, or blocking CBDC use for certain goods such as birth control or bullets. What's next for a U.S. CBDC? Despite these challenges, if the U.S. launches its own CBDC, it has several advantages over anything currently available or in the works. Not only is the U.S. dollar the reigning global reserve currency, but its cash value has universal cash among countries and individuals, which would help the use of its CBDC. And if the U.S. wanted to drive quick adoption of its e-dollars, it might decide to issue foreign aid only in U.S. CBDC. A power play such as that could guarantee worldwide uptake since the United States provides aid to more than 200 countries globally. According to the Council on Foreign Relations, it's difficult to say with certainty if and when a U.S. CBDC could be launched, but it's even more difficult to imagine the world's largest economy and global reserve currency on the CBDC sidelines. Regarding the Fed, said the anonymous Treasury source, they've been conducting a study and are set to release some research into the feasibility of either a U.S. CBDC or a digitized dollar. But I'm personally bullish on a U.S. CBDC within the 18 to 24-month time frame. Whatever the future holds for a U.S. CBDC, it will be interesting to see what happens next, and what impact it has on the cryptocurrency world as a whole. On the flip side, while they may not seem like it now, CBDCs will be an even worse form of fiat currency than current sovereign monies. Expect them to start mandating CBDC payments for all types of welfare and social program recipients first, who won't have a choice but to accept it with some type of premium incentive, say 10% more per month if they just accept CBDC. Then expect its rollout to military and government workers, who will be given a choice at first, but it will likely be the mandatory form of government salary within a few years. Why you should care? CBDCs mean one thing: control. Governments that deploy CBDCs will present them initially as a convenient digital complement to physical currency. The physical currency will be phased out over time and stop being replenished, so paper currency will ultimately wear out. If you embrace digital currency and strive to avoid CBDCs at all costs, because they will likely cost you more than we can currently imagine in the long run. Email newsletter join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Fantom is a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain with transaction fees as low as a fraction of a cent. The FTM incentive program has now been expanded to include developers working on GameFi projects. The Fantom network has grown by more than 1,500% in the last 8 weeks and now has over $4.91 billion TVL and 880,000 unique addresses. Fantom has sent a proposal to decentralized lending protocol Aave to deploy Aave v2 on its network. As the adoption of cryptos increases, scalable blockchains have become one of the most talked about topics. While Ethereum remains the market leader among blockchains that support dApps, projects like Fantom give the world's second-largest crypto a good run for its money. Fantom is a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain with transaction fees as low as a fraction of a cent. The project has become very popular among developers for its utility being EVM compatible. Among the crypto community, Fantom is popular for being capable of performing thousands of transactions per second. So, how has this impressive project performed in recent times? Recent developments: in August, the Fantom Foundation launched a $370 million FTM incentive program to support development teams to build the next best dApp on the Fantom network. On October 12, Fantom announced that the incentive program would include projects working on diverse GameFi models. GameFi is the all-encompassing hub for game finance. This new concept combines decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with blockchain-based online games. The Fantom Foundation revealed that although GameFi is still in its early stages, it believes it will be the future of entertainment and gaming. Continuing to bridge projects, XYZ launched on the Fantom network on October 13. XYZ is a decentralized, community-owned NFT marketplace that allows users to easily collect and sell extraordinary NFTs. On October 12, 88 miles per hour launched on Fantom, allowing users to earn a yield reward. 88 miles per hour differs from other yield farming protocols, as it offers a fixed yield rate on supported assets on Fantom. On October 7, Nansen, a popular blockchain analytics firm, launched coverage to the Fantom blockchain. According to Nansen's CEO, Alex Vainvik, although Fantom is still in its early days, its promising growth has made it the data side's third network. The total value locked (TVL) in DeFi projects has jumped nearly 10 times in 2021, with Fantom actively benefiting. As of the time of this writing, over $4.91 billion is currently locked in Fantom. The total value locked in Fantom. Source: Defilama. Although the TVL in Fantom has dropped by 92% over the last 24 hours, the project has experienced explosive growth. On August 1, the TVL locked in Fantom was $313 million. In the last 8 weeks, the network has grown by more than 1,500%. According to the Fantom Foundation, the network now holds 880,000 unique addresses. In addition, Fantom has been completing 750,000 transactions per day, with more than 30,000 smart contracts deployed. Future events: Fantom Foundation has sent a proposal to Aave to deploy Aave v2 on the Fantom Opera, Nasdaq Opera, blockchain. Through the deployment, Fantom looks to expand the lending features of Aave to the Fantom community and bootstrap the launch of Aave on a new ecosystem with the provision of incentives. Price updates: Fantom, FTM, along with the crypto market, has come under bullish pressure after a bullish first week in October. Over the last 24 hours, FTM has dropped by more than 4% and now trades at $2,007. The 30-day price chart of Fantom, FTM. Source: TradingView. Over the last 30 days, FTM has gained more than 45%, making it one of the top-performing cryptos in the period. On CoinMarketCap, Fantom is ranked as the 36th largest crypto project with a market capitalization of $5.11 billion. Over the last 24 hours, $569 million worth of FTM has been traded, a drop of 37% from October 12. On the flip side, after hitting its all-time high of $2.45 on October 8, Fantom has retraced sharply. FTM's price of $2,007 represents a 19% drop from its 88 5 days ago. Community: the Fantom ecosystem is growing every day. On Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, Fantom has over 177,9K followers, over 27,3K members on Discord, 22,7K on Telegram, and 15,4K members on Reddit. Members of the Fantom community are fondly referred to as Fantomians. The Daily Coin team discovered that Fantomians are great believers in the project. @FatherPump wrote about Fantom, "Numbers don't lie." Fantom is now the fourth most used decentralized network in the world. Pic.twitter.com/4E5ZX3BSZB. Simone Pompazzi, @FatherPump October 11, 2021. Another user, @CattersCrypto, wrote, "I must say this again for those who still aren't seeing this unfolding. NFTs on Fantom are about to take off a major way, positioning myself accordingly." CattersCrypto, @CattersCrypto October 13, 2021. In addition, Fantomians are also bullish about the future of Fantom, FTM. Another Fantomian, @Tweak896, wrote, "Ethereum at Fantom's market cap right now would be only $44.62. Buying $FTM is like buying $E.T.H. at $44. It's also like buying $BTC at $279.16. We are still way early." Pic.twitter.com/3PZQBC8LKD, Tweak896, @Tweak896 October 10, 2021. Another Fantomian, @RootDubs, shared his opinion. $FTM Fantom has managed to make a crucial support at $2. This is the level where we are building the Cosmodrome. I expect this rocket to launch very soon and accelerate crazy fast. Believe me, we don't need Coinbase, Nasdaq Coin, at all to continue gaining users and deliver the best tech." Pic.twitter.com/8B6JLN3JSR, RootDubs, @RootDubs October 13, 2021. Why you should care? Fantom is a fast-growing crypto project owing to its immense utility and multiple integrations. Given its fast transaction speeds, network growth, advanced smart contracts, and EVM compatibility, Fantom could be a solid cryptocurrency investment. Email newsletter: join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.